Collective nouns. Some nouns have special names when they are in groups. Collective noun is a name given to a group or collection of people, animals, or things. Words like crowd, herd, and bunch are collective nouns. Let us learn some collective nouns for people. A choir of singers, a band of musicians, an army of soldiers, a crew of sailors, a class of students, a board of directors, a team of players, a crowd of people. Let us see some collective nouns for animals. A pride of lions, a pack of wolves, a gaggle of geese, a parliament of owls, a shoal of fish, a herd of cattle, a flock of birds, a swarm of bees. Now let us see some collective nouns for things. A bouquet of flowers, a range of mountains, a galaxy of stars, a pack of cards, a bunch of grapes, a clutch of eggs, a fleet of ships, a bunch of keys. Exercises. Write the correct collective nouns. Let us check the answers. A forest of trees, a bevy of girls, let us see the answers. A murder of crows, a troop of monkeys. Let's check the answers. A caravan of camels, a heap of rubbish. Let's check the answers. A bundle of sticks, a chest of drawers. Let us see the answers. A pile of books, a bale of cotton. Do it yourself. Find out the collective nouns for the following things from your surroundings.